Very welcome to Timor-Leste.
So much and happy birthday to you.
So today I officially presented my credentials as UNFPA representative in Timor-Leste. And UNFPA is implementing now a fourth country program in Timor-Leste covering 2021-2025. And my team and with our partners, we will continue implementing our country program. I will actually meet with our counterparts, ministries, and our partners, civil society organization. I will go down to see also what we are doing on the ground in the rural areas where we have in support. So a lot of work that I will be doing after today. UNFPA country program's priority is to really help government in reducing preventable maternal deaths, in reducing unmet need for family planning, and also in ending gender-based violence. And these are main three priorities of the country program, but we also support government to collect and analyze population data for planning and policy making, and also we support youth empowerment and capacity of young people for advancing their education, health, and also leadership capacity.